This rail neer project at Kota, Rajasthan. First we are using multigrade sun filter, then geosol filter media, then catalytic media filter, then activated carbon chamber. Then water comes to these ultra filtrations, 20,000 liter per hour. Then water is stored in this FRP tank, 15,000 liter tank. Then water comes to this RO technology filtration systems, 10,000 liter per hour. This plant's complete design by Apex technology. Then this is the ozonations, 50 grams ozonations. Then water comes to this 5,000 liter SS tanks. Then ozone mixing tank. Then water comes to these filling machines, 120 bpm filling machines. Then inspection table. Then this is the auto leveler. This is the leveling machines. Then this is the shrink wrapping machines, 8 cartons per minute. This is the paid blow molding machines, 5,400 bottles per hour, fully automatic paid blow molding. This is the chiller. This is the gem. And this is the compressor room. And there is a cooling tower. This is the complete project of packaged drinking water at Kota, Rajasthan. Sanju. Our technical team